From the more well-known South African cities of Johannesburg and Cape Town, besides its cultural melting pot, it sits on the eastern coast facing the Indian Ocean. The guys want to start our tour by showing me one of the latest additions to the city. They take me to Station Drive Precinct. It's an area that's been recently revitalized with shops and eateries. This once abandoned warehouse has taken on a new life and look, and now is the venue for local hip entrepreneurs.
This particular precinct has been kind of transforming over the last 2 or 3 years, I reckon, maybe 3 years.
And there's like this farmer's market here.
Right around the corner.
Can get anything from furniture to clothing.
All this mixed use is very cool.
Yeah, and it is what creates the kind of diverse environment that people want to live in. This is open every Sunday. You come in, you can get your fresh fruit and veg, you can grab something to eat, have a coffee.
So I understand from the guys, this is a family recipe.
Yeah, it's a family recipe that's running in the family, yes.
This cultural diversity definitely comes in the form of food. Take Sar, an Israeli who came to Durban over 6 years ago. And what's the deal? Why are you here in Durban?
I met a South African girl in India while I was traveling. And I fall in love with the place.
Because of Sar, Durbanites have falafels for breakfast. Sar's like, yeah, there's only 2 places in the world where they eat falafels for breakfast. Egypt and Durban.
It took me a year.
Right.
I think like of standing every morning while like everybody eating the bacon and eggs, and I go with falafel and give them to taste.
Right. Yeah, you kind of force them to try it for breakfast. Unbelievable. On any given weekend, Beset Durban, the name of their walking tour, can be seen guiding crowds of curious people, helping them see another side of their city.
Started off with just a few people on the side of the road in the pouring rain. And fast forward a couple of months, we had 450 people in the city. So much so that the police were escorting us around thinking that we were an illegal protest. And that's what we like to do. Just take people into these areas that they're not going to see often. Completely surprise and delight.
I mean, that is really the way you connect with your fellow Durbanites.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What we're going to do is tomorrow we're going to take it on a proper inner city market.
Well, so far so good.